How do fund managers deal with the stress of deciding when to buy a stock? What if they're wrong? What if they wait and never pull the trigger, missing the opportunity altogether? In today's video, I will share with you the exact signs to look for before buying a stock so you can get the absolute best return on your investment. But first, let's take a look at the model of the day. For the absolute best stock market results, you want to stick to buying stocks during pullbacks, corrections, and during recessions. But how would one know that the market is going through one of these cycles? It's fairly simple, really. A pullback is 5 to 10% off the all-time highs. A correction is 10 to 20% from the all-time highs. And a recession, or a bear market, is 20% or more from the all-time highs. While recessions are the rarest of the three downtrending cycles, it is the absolute best time to buy stocks at killer prices. In fact, one of the greatest creations of wealth are recessions. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and grab opportunity by the horns and give it a spanking until it submits to your will.